Monday. Let's open it. I'm very sorry if there's any sounds of chainsaws or whatever. They've been going all week, and I have to share this. So please forgive me for that. Oopsie. Okay, so here's our sweet little postcards, and as you can tell already, our theme is bubbles. And we've got, this is the full kit, so I have the polishes. So we have plates MXM 131 and 132, and 2 polishes, Bliss and Euphoria. So I will swatch those at the end of this video and compare them in different lights, so make sure you stick around till the end, okay? So here's our example manicure with our bubbles here, and it looks like they're also using one of the stamping polishes here. And here's how to do it. I love this method. This is like one of my favorite ways to make like a nice background. And actually I did that on my nails right now. And I did this just so you know with that new High Tide collection, and it's really beautiful. So you could also use some of those topper collections to make a similar look. That would look really pretty, like that kind of oil slick look. So. The bonus gift this month is a tip stand, and I'll open it. I am like 100% sure that all tip stands are made in like the same place, in the same factory or whatever. So these look exactly like the ones I bought on Amazon. This is one I bought on Amazon, and it is pretty much the same. I think it might be a slightly different like pattern around the edge, but anyway, yeah. There's the one. And these are sparkly. I will say though that I've also bought like these in the past, and these suck. And these like things always pop off, and I've never had a problem with this one. It looks a little cuter, so I always use that one on camera. But yeah, so we got a little tip stand, which is useful for me and for people that use tips. Oh, I think this is a new sticker, at least for me. Life won't shine unless you do. Oh, I like this little. Oh, and I like your tattoo. That's what I should have done. All right, let's do the plates first. Okay, here's 132 and 131. Let me see here. Let's take this off. It's always easier to see without the film. Okay, so we got a lot of different kind of styles of bubbles here. Feeling bubbly. Don't burst my bubble. We have this little girl blowing a lot of bubbles. Bring on the bubbly. And some bubble wands. Different kind of like stars, hearts, and then a mix of them here. Put your troubles in a bubble and blow it away. Oh, how cute. Oh yeah, this is cool, the little like Saturn bubble. I like that. Okay, here we have 132. What is that? All right. And these plates really remind me a lot of the MXM with the clouds that we just got a couple of months ago. And you can see we kind of have like some of the same things here going on here. We have like the teddy bears and the butterfly and the cat and the rabbit. Different kind of bubbles that match this plate. I really like when the plates like match each other, so you can like create a manicure with both of them. That looks really cohesive. I guess I wish that they had done some like fish or something. Like I get that these are like bubbles that are in the air, but we have these little critters here, and I just think, wouldn't it have been cool to have like bubble fish, like bubbles shaped like little fish? That would have been really cool, I think. And then just to remind you what those cloud plates look like. I'm sorry, my plates are dirty. But this one especially. So yeah, some similar kind of things going on here stylistically. I think if you made a manicure with these clouds, you could probably redo it, but with bubbles instead. Great, those are really cute. I like them a lot. Here's our polish. So, uh-oh, I got the same one. Oh no. So I have two polishes called Bliss. That kind of messes up my plan to swatch, but I'll swatch this one. Okay, well, yeah, that sucks. I've been having a lot of really bad luck with with just nail mail, like nail stamping and everything. I'm just having a lot of issues. So let's see here. White, black. Ooh, that's nice. It's very opaque. Well, I think Bliss looks great. I really wish I knew what Euphoria looked like. I'm super bummed. I mean, I'm sure they'll send another one, but yeah, that's not ideal for an unboxing. Well, at least there was something in the box, right? Okay, so here's everything, almost everything that you get with the full MXM kit for July. We have Bubble Burst. It's super cute, so let me know what you think. Are you going to get this box? Are you going to skip it? Leave me a comment and let me know. And while you're still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. It really helps me a lot. And until next time.